Hi guys, my name is Rohit Khosla. Welcome to the second part of my tutorial on Hootsuite. Are you really interested to learn Hootsuite? Okay, so I have already shown you what is the dashboard looks like. Now this is the dashboard of Hootsuite. Now advantage is that you can make posting or maybe a post from one place to all the social media where I have configured. Now these are the social medias where which can be configured in Hootsuite. If you click on add social network, now let me show you all the channels. Now you can see this is Twitter, this is Facebook, Google Plus, LinkedIn, WordPress, Instagram, YouTube. So you can connect with all these. If you want to connect with Twitter, you can just connect with Twitter and enter your credential for Twitter account. This is Facebook. You can even connect your Facebook profile, Facebook pages, and Facebook groups. You can link your LinkedIn profile, even your Insta profile, even your YouTube profile. That can be linked together. I have already linked all these profiles into my dashboard and all the pages. If you want to add streams, you can click on add stream and you can click any of the stream into your dashboard. Now this is my Facebook stream. If you want to, like I just tell you, if you want to add my Facebook or maybe a Twitter like stream, you can add it. Now this is the profile where I want to add. Now I want to add my like stream. Now see on the right hand side you can see my like stream has been added. Even I would like to add my home screen. So this is the home screen of the Twitter. Now see, I have added two streams. This is this stream, this is the like stream of Facebook, and this is the home screen. If you want to delete the stream, you can delete the stream. This is the way you can delete your stream. Now you can see my dashboard. I have configured my Facebook stream, my Facebook page 1, Facebook page 2, my Insta profile page, my Twitter profile page, and I want to uh, make a post. Now once you click, you just click to send to, and need to select your profiles. I want to select one. I want to select Twitter profile. I want to select my Insta profile, and I want to select my LinkedIn. I selected 4 profiles, and here you can add the messages. You can add messages like, hi, this is my post, this is my first post from Hootsuite, and you can end up with, and even you can add up a link. You can click on the profile, but you can use a picture. You can use a picture like this. You can add up with any of the pictorial. Like if you want to add, I can use this pictorial. And this pictorial can be added, right? The Hootsuite. Get in touch with me on www.learnbyexperts.com. Experts.com, and I would like to digital marketing. There's a Twitter handle. I would like to make on different web design. We send the post into these two handles. So these once I click on send now, this post will be redirected to all these social profiles in single go. That is the advantage of using Hootsuite. Get in touch with me in my next video tutorial for the advanced things in Hootsuite. Thank you very much.